Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at how to repair your pedal load, whether old one or new one. Hope you can see my pedal load just got bad, so it just got scattered. So I'll be showing you how to repair it, even though it is bad, like I've shown. Hope you can see this is my pedal load. So first thing you are going to do now, you are going to lose this upper part. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You are going to lose it. This tutorial is for everyone. Even though you're a female, you can also do this. Okay, now I just lose it out. Now look at my other pedal. This one is also bad, so I use a wire to roll it around. So I will be showing you the process I use in doing this. Hope you can see. I just use my wire to roll it. Now look at the pass of the pedal rod. Now the black one is not enough, so I'll be using this. I join the lead one. This is a electric wire. Hope you can see it. It's a electric wire. This wire that used to be inside the electric wire, black and red wire. So that's what I use in doing this stuff. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly click the subscribe button under this video and on the notification bell, because I have loads of tutorial for you guys. So yeah, you are going to learn a lot here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Hope your eye is on the video light. Make sure the wire is tight. Make it tight. Make sure you have hole at the center. So I'm going to bring the other part of the pedal rod. Hope you can see. I'll be forcing this inside. That's why I emphasize on making the wire to be tight. So we are going to be forcing it inside. Watch and see. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Now I just lose the wire a bit so I can have some space inside this. Hope you are watching closely. I'll be explaining more at the end of this video, so just stay calm and learn what I'm showing you. There is more at the end of the video, so just sit down with your popcorn. Okay, you can see I just force it inside at the center. Make sure that it moves. I hope you can see. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Make sure it has a space to move. Okay, now I'll be using my plier to cut out the excess. I just cut out the excess, so I'm tightening it with my plier. Okay, now look at the parts, the long part. So I will be tightening this one that I just arranged. I'll be tightening it to the pedal iron. This is a manual machine. Yes, a manual machine. Note that. Okay, Hope you just see what I did. I just fix it. Hope you're understanding what I'm doing. I just fix it. So now after you have done that, I'm going to show you how you are going to fix it right to your machine. I just bind those. Now we are going to fix it to the leg of the machine. Hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Don't forget to drop your question on the comment section. So I'm arranging it. Hope you have clicked the subscribe button under this video, because I have lots of different tutorials for you guys. Hope you are seeing. So I'll be using this knot. Hope you know where this knot used to be at the end. Hope you are seeing where my hand is going, my right hand. So I'm going to use that knot to tighten it up so that the pedal rod will be firm. Hope you're understanding what I'm doing. That's pedal rod knot. So I just tighten it. So before you tighten it, make sure that hole at the pedal rod align with the screw. Hope you're seeing. So after that, you are going to tighten this screw also. You're going to tighten it a bit. Don't let it not be too tight. Just tighten it. Hope you're understanding what is going on here. This is a manual machine, remember. So I'm using my screwdriver to screw it up. I didn't tighten it finish so that it can move freely and easy for you. Hope you can see we are almost set. So losing this, hope you understanding what I'm doing. At the end of this, you see how fast it. This thing I've tried it back then. I tried it back then, and it's before I changed my pedal rod, it was over a year, and hope you can see the outcome of this. You can see the outcome. Hope you can see it is moving. It is moving. Very nice. After you have done this, say bye bye to buying pedal rod. You no longer have to buy pedal rod again. This will take you more than 3 years for you to even, and it even move quiet alright, just like pedal rod does. Hope you can see it. Our work is so neat. Okay, now I'm going to mash it to show you how fast this is. It is equivalent to, it works equivalently to pedal rod. So hope you can see, so fast, like the normal pedal rod. It's actually the normal pedal rod, but I just apply wisdom. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, TikTok. Thank you. Don't forget to